was a fairy tale turned into a nightmare, and I don't wanna turn on the lights. There's a beautiful monster, he's laying here in my bed, and I'm lying here believing his lies. I could face myself, even save myself, admit that I knew all along. But it's easier if I don't. No, it's easier, so I won't. I could go down that hole, down that long broken road, and find what I already know. But it's easier if I don't. I could dig up all the details, ask a million questions, or I could just try to forget. I could tell you that I love you, act like I trust you, 'cause I'm pretty good at pretend. I could tell you it's over, but then it'd be over, and some things are better unsaid. Oh, it's easier if I don't. No, it's easier, so I won't. I could go down that hole, down that long broken road, and find what I already know. But it's easier if I don't. No. It would be easier. I could face myself, even save myself, admit that I knew all along. But it's easier if I don't. No, it's easier, so I won't. I could go down that hole, down that long broken road, and find what I already know. But it's easier if I don't. If I don't.
This dance is called If I Don't, choreographed by Gary O'Reilly. It's a 24 count, 2-wall intermediate rolling 8 count line dance. There are 2 restarts and 1 tag in this dance. Section 1, starting with the left foot. Step left to side and sway left, sway right. Step left forward, sweep your right forward, mambo half. Right foot rock forward, recover half turn right forward, facing 6. Step left forward, hit your right. Right foot back, side rock, recover back, sweep your right. Behind side, 1 turn left forward, facing 430. Section 2, still facing 430. Step left forward, low kick on your right. Back, 1 turn right, back, now facing 6. Quarter turn right forward, now facing 9. Left foot forward, drag your right. Forward, step pivot half turn right. Forward, drag your right, facing 3. 1 8 turn left, facing 130. Forward, hit your left. Back, hook your right across. Step on your right, make a quarter turn right on ball or right. Hit your left, facing 430. Last section, left foot forward, pointer side hold. Right foot back, pointer side hold. Left foot forward, sweep your right. Cross, back, 1 inch and right, side cross, facing 6, side behind, step right to side and lunge to right, recover, quarter turn left forward, half turn left back, you're facing 9, to start again, make another quarter turn left, 1. You start wall 2, facing 6 o'clock. Now let me go over the dance with the counts. 5, 6, 7, 8, 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5, 6 and 7, 8 and 1, 2 and 3, 4 and 5, 6, 7, 8, 1 and 2 and 3, 4 and 5, 6, 7, 8, 1. Start again. In the stance during wall 3 and wall 6, you dance 8 and counts before you restart. Let me show you wall 3 with counts starting facing 12 o'clock. 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5, 6 and 7, 8 and. This is the end of 8 and counts on wall 3. You're facing 6. To restart, cross right over left on the odd count, and you restart facing 6 o'clock. On wall 6, after 8 and count with a step change, you restart facing 12 o'clock. At the end of wall 7, facing 6 o'clock, there's a 2 count tag. Starting with the left foot, sway left, sway right. With counts 1, 2. After the tag, you start again facing 6 o'clock.好，现在我来为大家用中文讲解。第一个8拍，左脚开始，左脚到旁边，sway左，sway右，左脚往前，右脚绕 ，mumble half， 右脚前回，往一边后转，前面对6点，左脚往前，右脚 hitch， 右脚后旁回后，右脚绕，后旁1/8，左转面对4点半，前。第二个8拍，左脚往前，右脚往前踢。后1/8右转，后面对6点，右转前面对9点，前右脚拖，前左脚前往右边，后转前右脚拖面对3点，面对1点半，右脚往前，左脚 hitch， 左脚后，右脚跨钩，前1/4右转到4点半，左脚 hitch。最后一个8拍，左脚前点停，右脚后点停，前右脚绕，跨后1/8右转，旁跨面对6点，旁后，右脚到旁边 lunge 往右，回来左转，往左边后转后面对9点，要重新开始这个左转 1。面对6点，重新开始。这条舞在第3跟第6个方向跳完8拍有 restart。我来示范第3个方向，面对12点开始。With counts 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5, 6 and 7, 8 and count。右脚跨这样子8拍。第3个方向跳完8拍 restart 6点钟。第6个方向跳完8拍 restart 是在12点钟。 第7个方向跳完之后，面对6点钟，要加一个2拍的 tag。左脚开始，左脚到旁边，sway 左，sway 右 ，count 1 2。跳完 tag 重新开始，面对6点钟。